Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Brant local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the cheap Brant moving company you need will make relocation much easier. 3 Movers offers plenty of options to help you with your relocation. Our team of expert local and long-distance movers will save you time and energy on any type of move. When you need to move across the country or just down the road, we are the team you can trust. You get all types of options to make your long-distance move easier when you choose our team, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you need to relocate your home or your business, we can help. Our team can help you move across the country, to a new country, or just 100 miles to the next city over. Let us help make your move less stressful. With the right Canada Moving Company, you can enjoy a simple local move. Choosing to hire movers for your shorter move is still a smart decision. While your things don't have to travel that far, they still have to be packed up, loaded into a truck, unloaded, and unpacked. Let 3 Movers do all the hard work for you. We know how to save you time and make your move much easier. Our team can handle even a larger move in less than a day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brant moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.